Welcome to Progress in English. We are going to take a quiz on IELTS vocabulary. Best of luck. What is the meaning of ambiguous? Pause the video if you want to think. It means not clear or definite. Next question, what is the meaning of amend? Choose the right option. It means change to improve. What is the meaning of analogy? You have 4 options. Right answer is D. Next question, what is the meaning of analyze? Right answer is break into parts. Okay, let's go to next question. What is the meaning of annual? Right answer is C. Okay, next question. What is the meaning of anticipate? Answer is D. Expect or look forward. What is the meaning of apparent? Pause the video if you want to think. Right answer is C. Next question. What is the meaning of append? Answer is add something. What is the meaning of appreciate? Be thankful or understand value. What is the meaning of approach? Move closer. Next question. Okay. What is the meaning of appropriate? Suitable or proper? What is the meaning of approximate? Close to the actual. What is the meaning of arbitrary? Based on random choice. What is the meaning of area? Region or space. What is the meaning of aspects? Parts or features. What is the meaning of assemble? Put together. What is the meaning of assess? Evaluate or judgment. What is the meaning of a sign? Give a task or role. What is the meaning of assistance? Help or support. What is the meaning of assume? Accept without proof. What is the meaning of assure? Promise confidently. What is the meaning of attach? Connect or join. What is the meaning of attain? Reach a goal. What is the meaning of attitude? Way of thinking or feeling? That was a nice quiz. Let me know your test result in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for more videos.